Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to kind of show y'all what I'm working on, guys. Working on SS Monte Carlo here. This one here is not a LS swap, guys. I ended up, this car here had a 305 in it, original 305, and he wanted to put a 350 in it that he had. He actually bought the motor that come out of the Wayne's red Camaro that I LS swapped. So I put that engine in here, and I'm hooking it up, guys, and I'm gonna do a final video on it when I drive it and all. But he bought a CVF kit, which is a whole Serpentine AC alternator, the whole 9 yards. I think the kit's like 1,500 bucks, but it's a pretty neat system, guys. I want to show y'all putting it on and kind of show y'all how it goes on and all if y'all decide to buy one. But it's a pretty neat system for a small block, so let's get started. I got a little ahead of myself, but I'll kind of show y'all what I've already done. But it's pretty basic, simple. They give you a little bit of instructions with it. They show you right here pretty much how it goes. You see, it shows you, which one is it? They show you right here on all three brackets, you know, with power steering, without power steering, type of water pump that it is. But we ended up getting this system here. Pretty neat system though. It's pretty simple. You go, they give you, let's see if I can get down there and show you. They give you this piece here at the back, guys, and it has 3 bolts in it that bolts to your small block harmonic balancer, and then it has a little cover that goes on right here with 3 little screws in it. And then you put your center balancer bolt through the center of that, and then you got 3 Allen bolts to hose this on, and then that'll be your crankshaft pulley right there. And then your water pump, power steering pump goes on right here, and then you got 4 bolts that holds it on. You got 2 bolts in the back that goes in the back here, kind of right in there, that holds the power steering pump on. And then you got 2 bolts to hose the alternator on. And it's a pretty steady system. Can't move it, but it all bolts up to the 4 water pump bolts in the front. But man, they give you everything with this system, guys. They give you the water pump, the alternator, the AC compressor over there. They give you I haven't changed this yet, but they sent it with this one. But I guess you can put this on a V-belt system or a Serpentine system. So I just got to change this pulley out. They gave me the pulley for it. I just got to change it out. CVF. And this is their catalog, guys. But you got it, stuff for Pontiacs. That's in this catalog with it. But look, Chrysler big block, Ford Godzilla system. But like I said, this system here is for small block, guys, and it seems to be working out pretty good. They got everything laid out for you pretty good. Like I said, it's pretty simple to bolt on. So far I ain't had any issues with it putting it on. But and then it even comes with a belt. They send you the belt with it. They give you the belt with it too. So yeah, it's a pretty cool system. Like I said, they give you everything with it. But putting that on here, guys, and then I got to this car's not gonna be too bad. I already got the 305 out of here. I didn't film that, but I pulled it out, and then I set this 350 down in there, and I got it on the motor mounts and got this header tied on this side, and got the distributor in it and the wires. I got to go uptown and get some plugs and put in it. But not a lot to do to it. Just put the Serpentine system on it. I got aluminum radiator that I'm putting in it and taking this original radiator out. This is a clean Monte Carlo too, guys. Check it out. But said an old guy had it and bought it brand new, guys. But it's short, clean, very clean car. It's got the original miles on it. What is that? 287. I can't read that, but anyhow, it's got clean interior. The seats and all's clean. Got these seat covers. Back seats clean. Yeah, this is a clean car right here. But just pretty much doing a little work on it. Not really LS swapping this one. Pretty clean car though. And then your AC is gonna go. This is your AC compressor that comes with it. And what it does, guys, is you're gonna make sure this is turned up so that you can hook your AC lines to it. And they even give you a little adapter with it, which is right here, which is a little AC adapter. And what it does is it bolts right here to the top of the pump. Well, actually like that, guys. It'll bolt to the top of the pump like that, and then your AC lines will hook to that. So I got to stick that on there once I get the pump on. And then you got your idlers that goes here and right here, your belt idler. So y'all stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna try to slap this thing together right quick and show y'all how it works out. All right, guys, you can take these little short screws right here, and they're gonna hold the AC on, which is one on the top and one on the bottom on the bracket, and that's what holds your air conditioning. So you put those on there and make sure they're tight, and put your center pulley on there, and it's pretty much ready to put the belt on there and the tensioner. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's getting dark on me, but when I get through with this Serpentine belt and with the belt and all on it, and the Serpentine system from CVF, I'll show y'all with the belt on it and it's running and all that. I got a few more things to button up on this car, and then I should be finished with it. So make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Just trying to get y'all a little bit of content.